Dexterity. Hi, I hope you're ready for an exercise because this is going to test your skills up until this point. Open this PSD file that you have attached to this lecture and you'll see it's pretty hectic. We have layers all over the place. Nothing is labelled. There are a few groups, but they're randomly created. Overall, it's a mess. Here's your task. I want you to select, move, and group all these layers based on their colour. There's 5 types in total: yellow, teal, green, white, pink. You have to do 4 things. Efficiently select them however you want to do that. Group them into individual folders, label them with their respective colour, and move them in a separate side of the canvas. This means you should have all the yellow layers in the top left of the canvas, teal in the top right, same thing for the bottom sides, and the 5th one should be placed in the middle. What's important is you have 5 folders in total at the end that are properly labelled, and these layers are separated from all the other colours. This activity will take you around 5 to 7 minutes to complete, depending on your approach. Here are a few tips. You'll have to zoom in and out because some of these layers are particularly tricky. Use Shift to select multiple layers together. Review your cheat sheets and identify which selecting techniques are best suited for the job. You can use the existing groups, or you can discard them and create new ones. Of course, it's up to you if you want to focus on the Layers panel or if you want to work on the canvas area alone. It's important you time yourself because I'd like you to repeat this exercise. See how well you do as you try again. Please stop the course and get to it. In the next video, I'll show you how I'd solve this task, but please try it out for yourself, otherwise you're not going to get the most out of it. Post your time in the comments section the first time you do it. Let's have a little friendly competition between you and the other students and see who's faster. Please be fair and don't lie about your results. That's not going to help anyone. Okay, good luck.